Hello my sacred family, thank you so much for tuning in for another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Maggie and I do all types of spiritual care, self-care videos. So if there's something you may be interested in, please consider subscribing so that you never miss another upload. So today I just wanted to talk about our homes for a little bit. You guys know I touch a little bit on everything when it comes to being a mom, being a wife, being a Christian, being a woman, and of course we cannot leave out the home, right? So today I want to talk about 9 reasons why it's important to keep a clean home. So let's go ahead and jump into number 1. My first reason on why it's important to keep a clean home, and that is because a chaotic house equals a chaotic life. So as you can imagine, trying to get things done, trying to get the kids in order, all while the house is in shambles as well. I can't tell you that's one of the most frustrating situations to be in. I still find myself in that situation often, but lately, especially now that the kids are older, I'm really like on them about keeping their room clean, being more organized, you know, and to always be ready, right? Always be organized as possible, right? Because we all know that trying to handle things in a chaotic household, a dirty house, a messy house is so frustrating. Oh my God, I'm getting anxiety just thinking about it. But that's why I try my best to stress that keeping a clean home is so important, because you can't hear anything. You can't hear God. You can't hear the presence or feel the presence of God when it's just stuff everywhere, right? All right, my second reason why it's important is because it's sickness control, especially with this virus going on, guys. We know how important it is to continue to stay disinfected. This virus has not gone anywhere, and even before the virus, right, we still have bacteria, germs, just from the everyday, you know, hustle. It's very important to control that sickness and to make sure everybody's washing their hands, make sure everybody's sanitizing, especially during this time now. My third reason why it's important to keep a clean home is because it saves you time. It saves you time from when you want to start dinner, you don't have to clean the whole kitchen, or when you want to hang out with the kids for a little bit, you don't have to worry about their rooms or worry about the living room or the bathroom, because you've been staying on top of it, right, Mom? Like, we need to start, myself included, staying on top of things so that we can free up our day, right? Free up our day to spend more time with the kids. And, you know, it's even helpful to do or to tidy up before we go to bed, right? We know I mentioned that a lot here on my channel too, and how beneficial that is. It saves so much time when we already have a clean home. Number 4, it saves money as well. Who has money, who has hundreds of dollars to be dishing out every week or every month for a housekeeper or for a little bit of help, right? Then again, I like to think of it as, you know, when my house is a mess, I do not like to cook. I hate cooking in a dirty kitchen, right? So sometimes I would even opt out for takeout or something just because I don't feel like cleaning the kitchen, you know. So having it already done can definitely save some time and some money. My 5th reason why it's important is because of hospitality. If your household is anywhere like mine, you never know who's like trying to pop up, who's gonna call you to try to come over, you know, and you just always want to be ready. I've been noticing that a lot more lately. Like, okay, my dad comes by, I know my dad is going to come over. I know one of my best friends are going to come over. I know one of Troy's family members are going to come over sometime during the week, and I just like to always have it tidied. Or sometimes when Troy gets off work, he'll have his friend with him or his brother with him or his son, something like that. I always like to have my home already ready to, you know, relax in, maybe have some dinner going, maybe have the candles burning already, because I like having that first impression on people, especially for people who've never been to my home. I always like to have that first impression ready, or maybe haven't been here in a while, like, yeah, Maggie still got it. Like, she's always gonna tidy up or make sure her house is good before anybody comes over. I hate having company and my house is a mess. Like, I'm gonna kick everybody out. The sixth reason why it's important is because it's less stress and anxiety on you, Mom. Like I just said, having a chaotic, messy house is so frustrating, but having a clean house is reverse, right? You can relax. It's stress-free. Your anxiety levels are down, you know, because you can function. You can operate. I know I'm not the only one who can't operate in a dirty house, but then you have some women who have no problem sleeping in the same clothes or having a whole mess of a kitchen and will be in the bed all day sitting on the couch all day in their house, the kids, like everything is a mess. Like we do have some women out here, but not none of my women, none of my sisters over here on this channel. This is why these videos are so important to me, because it's kind of like my little self-help, self-guide as well, to make sure that we're always like self-checking ourselves, staying on top of things, especially for a mother, a wife, or a Christian, you know. My 7th reason why it's important is because you can get better sleep. So yes, I'm mentioning in the house, but when you think about keeping your bedroom clean all the time, my master bed, like our bedroom is like our sanctuary. My bathroom, you know, is all connected. It's like my sanctuary, and then it flows off into this room, and I have to keep all of them clean for me to stay sane. Like, this is my sanctuary. I know I can sleep better if my bed is straight, and if my room is vacuumed. I have carpet up here. If my room is vacuumed and it's tidied up, if my bathroom is clean and wiped down, and all my products are put up, and my study room is nice and clean, I can sleep so much better knowing that I can wake up and I can walk literally through any room and it's clean, it smells good, and yes, I can rest easy just knowing that. My eighth reason why it's important is because it shows good stewardship. It shows that you're not lazy. It shows that you are able to keep a home. It shows that you're a selfless person. It shows that you are a clean person. You know, some people just have that clean spirit, I think, and some people have a dirty spirit, I think, and that just shows that you are not scared to get your hands dirty. You're not scared to scrub a toilet or to you know, clog out a sink, or you know what I'm saying. Being a good steward to your family is so important, and the number one reason we can do that is by taking care of the home. So that's why I think that's so important. And last but not least, my 9th reason why I think keeping a clean home is so important is that you get to be creative with your decor, or with, you know, your furniture and things like that, and it just looks so much better in a clean home, right? So I'm planning on going to TJ Maxx or Burlington sometime this week, just to like kind of switch out some of my decor for the fall time, things like that. And I hate decorating. I don't know, it's something about me that I cannot bring new groceries or new bags. Like, say if I'm going to shop, I cannot bring in new bags of clothes if my closet is dirty, or if my shelves are messy, or same with groceries. I can't bring any groceries if my fridge is a mess or my cabinets are a mess. Like, it's like mixing the old with the new, and I don't like that. So for me, it's about creativity. For me, it's about cleaning my house, having a blank canvas so that I can spruce it up with some more, you know, decor and all of that. So those are my reasons why I think it's important to keep a clean home. Remember, we have families. Remember, this COVID is so real. We still have the flu going around, the colds going around, and again, it's just a blessing to be able to show that you're grateful for all that you have. Even if you have a tiny little box, or a one little studio apartment, or if you have a 5-bedroom home, like, it's so important to show that you're grateful and that you just want to take care of your sanctuary anyway. So those are my reasons why I think it's so important. As always, I do have my Etsy shop for my Sacred Queens essentials. Get you some body scrubs, some body oil masks, some bath soaps, and relax. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have for this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.